Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. I'd really appreciate it. I'm on the way to 1,800 subscribers, and you could be the next one on The Price is Right. So today, I've got an Ipsy Glam bag to unbox. An Ipsy Glam bag. I don't remember what I chose. I don't remember what's in here. So let's take a peekaboo. Empty. Like so many promises of so many men on Valentine's Day. I hope you had a good Valentine's Day. Mine was lovely. And this is, it says, you are loved. I love you just the way you are. Ipsy loves you also. So take that for what it's worth. Beautiful glam bag. I am digging this swirly pattern. Digging it hard. So let's see what we got in here. Let's see, it's in its own little plastic bubble. It is raining like a mofo here today. Storming all morning, all night. Somebody broke into my car, and they actually kind of cleaned it up for me. Because I had a bunch of stuff in my little console, and then there was a bunch of stuff in my armrest, and they didn't break a window or anything. They somehow got in my car without damaging it, which is great. And they just scooped up my stuff that was in my little console, and they just scooped up the stuff that was in my armrest, and they just took off, and they didn't really get anything. They got a pair of prescription sunglasses. They got some cloth face masks that were actually really cool, because like I spent some money on some good face masks, you know, back in the day when everybody had to mask up. And this is the Ciate Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. It's got a little, and it's adorable. Why is Ciate in every bag? It's a question of the ages. Ciate is the new wander, but Ciate doesn't suck. This is adorable. Look at that. That's very cute. Will I use it? Probably not. I've got a ton of blushes that I don't use already. So I can make a gift of this to somebody or put it in one of my Macari bags. There was something in the box that was keeping me from putting the blush back in. So anyway, a nice blush, and I'm going to call it full size because it's, oh, it says self-love is the best love. I just noticed that. And like RuPaul says, if you don't love yourself, how are you going to love somebody else? So what? Can I get an amen? Can I get a gay man? All that stuff. Okay, we've got a brown box from Callie. Or Collie. And it says Collie. And it is an eyeliner in Americano, so that's brown. And you know, I appreciate a brown eyeliner. I do, even though you normally see me just in black eyeliner. But this is nice. It's sealed. It's got a plastic sheath over it. I'm not going to open it because I already have a good brown eyeliner, but this is cool. It's probably a pen from the way the packaging is. It's probably a little pen brown eyeliner. An Americano, and this is full size. So 2 full size things already. And this is just precious. Precious and few are the moments we two can share. And it is from Amanda, and it's birthday cake mini body butter. And these are always adorable, and they look like they've been piped in. It smells like birthday cake. I'm not going to dig into this because these are not my favorites. But this is obviously a mini. But it's a good size mini. It'd be great for like a little trip. I try to find the positive. Oh, and I did choose this. This is a Saturday Skin Uzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. And I use this every night. But it's in a jar. So this is going to be great for me to go on like a little road trip. So that's fantastic. But that is just pitifully small. But I don't mind for like a little road trip or what have you. I'm planning on doing some road tripping this summer. And this is from Wing Me. Wing Me. I think I just got some foundation on it off my finger. And it's a little eyeshadow duo. And it's very cute. Will I use it? Will it be a nice sample to put in a bag when I sell stuff on Mercari? Yes. And I'll put it back in a little thing. So that is my bag. That's it. So we have a little eyeshadow duo. I guess that's full size. And then I've got this liquid liner in brown. I've got a blush. And then, so I've got 3 full-size items. I'm going to call that 3 full-size items. And the Saturday Skin. I love it. Very great bag. It's a cute little bag. It's got very useful stuff in it. And that is it for my Ipsy Glam bag for February of 2023. I hope you have a fantastic day or day of your choice. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.